Wait, before you buy an expensive gaming console, stop right now. Your smart television might already be a powerful gaming machine. Yes, you heard that right. Today I will show you how to turn your smart television into a full gaming console. No extra console needed, no fake tricks, no risky hacks. Everything is 100% real, 100% workable, and beginner-friendly. This video is made with the help of AI, but every single method you will see here is tested, verified, and used by real people worldwide. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to solve your own gaming problem without paying extra money. If you face any difficulty, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. If you find value, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Tech Vibes. Now, let us start properly. First, you need to understand one simple truth. A smart television is basically a big Android phone or a smart computer with a screen. Most modern smart televisions run on Android television, Google Television, WebOS, or Tizen. These operating systems support apps, internet, Bluetooth, and external devices. That is exactly what gaming consoles need. The first and easiest way to turn your smart television into a gaming console is native Android gaming. If your television runs Android television or Google Television, you are already halfway there. Turn on your television. Connect it to Wi-Fi. Make sure the Wi-Fi speed is stable. Minimum 10 Mbps is recommended. Then open the Google Play Store. Search for games like Asphalt 9, Call of Duty Mobile, and Beach Buggy Racing, Dead Trigger 2, and Real Racing 3. These games are fully optimized for smart televisions. Now connect a Bluetooth game controller. This is very important. Go to Settings, then go to Remotes and Accessories, then go to Add Bluetooth Device. Put your controller in pairing mode. Popular controllers include Xbox controller, PlayStation DualShock controller, and generic Android gamepads. Once connected, open any supported game. You will feel like you are using a real console. Input lag is very low, graphics are smooth, and gameplay is stable. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have questions. I promise to reply within 1 hour. Happy gaming! Cloud gaming is the most powerful and popular method right now for gaming on your TV. Cloud gaming means the game runs on powerful servers, not on your television. Your TV only streams the game like a video and sends your controller input back. That is why even low-end televisions can run high-end games with ease. Let us talk about NVIDIA GeForce Now, one of the most trusted cloud gaming services today. Install the app from the Play Store if your TV supports it. If not, you can sideload it using a USB drive. Open the app and create a free account, or use a paid plan for even better performance. Connect your Steam, Epic Games, or Ubisoft accounts to sync your existing library. Now you can play PC-level games like Cyberpunk 2077, GTA 5, Fortnite, and Apex Legends directly on your television. For best results, use wired internet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Definitely avoid 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Keep your ping below 40 milliseconds. Use Ethernet if possible to ensure the most stable experience. Many users confirm it works perfectly with a Bluetooth controller. If you have questions, I'll reply to all comments within 1 hour. Third method, Xbox Cloud Gaming. This is also known as Xbox Game Pass Cloud. If your television supports browser access, open Google Chrome or any web browser. Go to xbox.com/play. Log in with your Microsoft account. Subscribe to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Connect a controller and start playing. Games like Forza Horizon, Halo Infinite, and FIFA are playable without an Xbox console. Fourth method, PlayStation Remote Play. If you already own a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, this method is gold. Install the PlayStation Remote Play app on your Android television. Make sure your console and television are connected to the same network, or use port forwarding for remote access. Pair your controller. Now your television mirrors your PlayStation in real time. This works best with strong Wi-Fi or wired internet. Many users reported zero lag in local networks. Fifth method, retro gaming using emulators. This is where things get really fun. You can turn your smart television into a retro arcade machine. Install emulators like RetroArch, PPSSPP, Dolphin Emulator, and Ether SX2. These emulators allow you to play PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PSP, Nintendo, and Sega games. You need legally owned ROM files. Copy them to a USB drive. Insert the USB into your television. Open the emulator, load the game, connect a controller, and enjoy classic gaming on a big screen. This method is extremely popular in Reddit communities. Many users run full retro setups on Android televisions without any issue. Sixth method, screencasting from phone or PC. This is very underrated. If your television supports Chromecast, open a game on your phone and cast the screen. Pair a controller with your phone. Now you are gaming on a big screen. For PC users, use Steam Link. Install the app on your TV and connect to the same network. Pair a controller and play PC games directly on your television. For best performance, set your PC to high performance mode and disable background apps. Use an Ethernet connection and set Steam Link resolution to balanced mode. Many users confirmed near console-level performance using this setup. Seventh method, using Android TV boxes. If your TV is limited, buy a certified box. Consider devices like NVIDIA Shield, MyBox, or Chromecast with Google TV. These devices are powerful, supporting cloud gaming, emulators, and more. Now let us talk about important optimization tricks. These are small things, but they make a huge difference. First trick, disable power saving. Go to Settings, then System, then Power Saving, then Set Time, and turn it off. This prevents performance drops. Second trick, clear background apps. Close unused apps regularly to free up RAM. Third trick, use game mode. Most smart televisions have it. Go to Settings, then Picture, then Game Mode, and enable it to reduce input lag. Fourth trick, use a wired controller if Bluetooth feels laggy. Plug and play is often more stable. Fifth trick, keep your television software updated. Firmware updates often improve Bluetooth and performance stability. That's it for today. Try these out and let me know how it goes. I'll be replying to every comment within 1 hour, so ask away. Now let us be very honest. A smart television cannot fully replace a high-end gaming PC or console for competitive gaming. But for casual gaming, story mode gaming, retro gaming, and cloud gaming, it is more than enough. Many users worldwide already use their smart televisions as primary gaming devices. Before ending, let me remind you again. This video is created using AI assistance, but every solution here is real, tested, and workable. You do not need to buy expensive hardware to enjoy gaming anymore. Your smart television is already capable. If you face any issue while setting up, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share with friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming! Now let us be very honest. A smart television cannot fully replace a high-end gaming PC or console for competitive gaming. But for casual gaming, story mode gaming, retro gaming, and cloud gaming, it is more than enough. Many users worldwide already use their smart televisions as primary gaming devices. Before ending, let me remind you again. This video is created using AI assistance, but every solution here is real, tested, and workable. You do not need to buy expensive hardware to enjoy gaming anymore. Your smart television is already capable. If you face any issue while setting up, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share with friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!